First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the t-shirt like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection to separate layer, open file and choose place. Select this texture image, click place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Click enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Right click and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Right click on the second layer and choose blending options. Hold the Alt button and break this point. Adjust the underlying layer option like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.